Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. When you listen to music or watching the movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can control with the gestures on your earbuds. So at the back side of each earbud we have gesture right here. At the top, touch areas we have. So you can single press, double press, triple press, or press and hold. And with these controls, you can volume control your music or the movie. You can play or pause. You can play next or previous track or the next or previous videos. And you can call voice assistant. You can also customize it using application. You need to open Smart Connect app. Of course, your headphone should be connected with the application. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and go to custom controls. And you can change it. It's up to you. If you don't like what you made, you can click reset at the right top and you will have it by default. With these earbuds you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets. So you need to also use the application, and in the headphones menu we have right here equalizer. You just tap at this line. Right here we have 4 presets what Energy System offer for us, and also we can create a custom preset and use the custom one. If you lose your earbuds, you can use the application to find them. So right here on the right side we have find it button. If your earbuds disconnected from the phone, you will see the latest location here, and if it's connected you can play also the song. You click at the play button and confirm. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. All you need to do is just firstly remove them from your phone and then press 10 times simultaneously, touch reset both of your earbuds. And then you need to add them to the phone. If you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can check video at this channel, we have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!